If you're looking to clean up your WordPress site and get rid of those page titles, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to hide page titles in WordPress fast and easy. Whether you want to create a sleek landing page or just want a tidier look, by the end of this video, you'll know how to do this, and you'll understand why hiding page titles is sometimes the secret sauce for a professional finish. Let's jump right in. So the first method is to hide the title on a specific page using the native WordPress editor. This is the simplest way, but it only works if your theme supports it, and a lot of popular themes like Astra or GeneratePress do include this feature. Here, what you need to do: first, open the page you want to edit in the block editor. Just go to your dashboard, click Pages, and then select the one you want to customize. You'll see the familiar editing screen. Now the next step is to look at the right-hand sidebar and make sure you're on the Page tab. Sometimes it's easy to accidentally land on the block settings, but you want the tab for the whole page here. You'll probably see options for status, permalink, and template. Then scroll down in that sidebar. Depending on your theme, there might be a section labeled Hide Title, or if you're using Astra or GeneratePress, it could show as Astra Settings or GeneratePress Settings. This is where the magic happens. You should see a simple checkbox that says Hide Title. Go ahead and tick that box. Take a breath here. Sometimes there's a bit of a delay while WordPress updates the preview, especially if your site uses lots of plugins or custom settings. Don't worry if the title doesn't vanish instantly. Just hit Update or Publish, and then preview your page. The title should be gone, leaving you with a cleaner, more presentable look. Why does this matter? Well, removing the title can make a huge difference when you want to design a custom landing page, show off a portfolio, or just create a unique layout where the page title isn't necessary or would just look redundant. Now, if you're thinking, what happens if my theme doesn't have that Hide Title option? Don't worry, many themes don't offer this out of the box, but there are other ways you can achieve the same result, and we can cover those in another video. For now, if your theme does support this, you're pretty much done. No need to mess around with code or third-party plugins. Just a quick tip: if you're working on multiple pages and want to keep your original titles for reference, don't delete them. Hiding the title keeps it intact in the backend, which is super handy if you ever want to enable it again in the future or need your pages organized for your own management. So that's it, a fast, easy way to hide page titles in WordPress, using only the built-in editor tools. If this video helped tidy up your site or gave you a better understanding of your theme's capabilities, hit that like button. And if you have any questions about WordPress themes or site customization, drop them in the comments. I love helping out. Subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your site.